Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to export a pollination model from the Rhino plugin to eQuest. I'm using the Revit sample file that I exported from Revit, and the first step is you want to make sure the solve.jcc is done correctly. You can simply go ahead and run the solve.jcc command, or if you want to check, you can just go here, click on the color by boundary condition, then go select render settings, and remove outdoors, uncheck outdoors, and press refresh. So now you see all the faces that you see colored are either adiabatic or ground, and the interior ones are not showing up, which tells me that the solve.jcc is not done on this model. So I'm going to run po solve.jcc command, set do intersect to yes, do mesh to yes, select all of them. And now you can see the solve.jcc is executed. All the interior faces are set correctly, and the green ones, that basically that one tells me that these faces are interior. So this is all set. I'll go back here and bring back outdoors and change the color to by type. You don't have to do this, but I'm just showing you how you can get it back to default. Now that I have this, the next step is to save as an IMP file in eQuest. So press E, you should be able to see eQuest geometry, and then you press save, and it will be saved in a few seconds. So it's here. Now I go here to eQuest and open this file. So I select an existing project, go to the folder, and this goes on the other page. Go to the folder that is saved, change it to IMP, and there are two files here. One is from Revit, this one is from Rhino. This is the one that I just exported. I select OK, and again it comes here. I select OK. Oh, I have to make sure the name is short enough for eQuest to be happy. Okay, sorry about that, and OK. And now it will start importing the model in a few seconds. It'll probably be on my other screen. I bring it back here as soon as it pops up. Here we go. And it did it successfully and quickly. So now you can see this is level 0, which is that single room, level 1, and level 2. This, if I go in 3D geometry, you'll see the whole thing here is imported, all the shades, all the apertures, all the geometry. One thing to mention here is, and if I can zoom, is because eQuest cannot accept non-rectangular apertures, we basically do that simplification during the import process. This is something that if you're not happy with the automated workflow, you can just fix that in Rhino and break it down into rectangular shapes, so they will be imported correctly. Okay, I think this should be all that I wanted to show for the export from Rhino. Let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching. The best place to reach out to us, as usual, is Pollination Discourse Forum. It's at discourse.pollination.cloud. Thank you so much, and we'll see you online.